M5542. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, employers of Hong Kong. I'm Jehan Gyambangan Taop. I'm 46 years old. I'm single. Um,
Your religion
I am a Christian.
and your highest educational attainment.
I am a high school graduate.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience almost 20 years from a different employers in different country, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I have an experience since 2003 until 2009 in Bahrain as a domestic helper. My skills is to take care of children, elderly, and adult, cleaning, cooking, house chores, and also ironing, laundering, marketing, cooking, and other household.
Okay, and you have in Saudi, right?
Yeah, Bahrain the first year. I have in Saudi also.
Okay, your your experience in Saudi. Tell me about your experience in Saudi.
My experience in Saudi Arabia is almost 13 years into employer, and my duty in my first employer is to taking care of a newborn baby and the 2 years old with adult, and cleaning, ironing, to assist cooking and all household chores.
Okay,
And
so
also the second is I work in an husband company for caregiver. I'm
okay,
taking care of elderly, disabled, and bedridden.
which is 69 years old above.
Yes.
Okay, for 2 years for the caregiver on a rehabilitation center,
Yes.
right? And the 11 years for a
Yes.
domestic helper.
Yes.
Okay, then you have also another experience in Hong Kong. You're ex-Hong Kong, right?
Yes.
Tell me about your experience as a helper in Hong Kong.
I have experience in Hong Kong for 9 months since August 29, 2023 until June 22, 2024 for
Okay.
9 months. And my experience is to taking care of the elderly, the age of 76 and 82 with 3 dogs.
Okay.
And then my
Okay, but suddenly the contract was terminated. What is the reason why?
because of the co-worker is jealous on me because my boss is some favorite for me,
Have favor
have
on you.
favor for me.
Okay.
And then after that, she telling at my back to my boss.
She says something about your back that you didn't
She's
know.
saying about my back and my employer.
Okay, that's why suddenly the contract was terminated because of that.
Yes.
Okay, what is the reason why she jealous on you
Because my boss give me a higher salary
rather than her?
rather than her.
Oh, that's why. Okay, since I saw that you have experience, a lot of experience, almost 20 years, I saw also that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby. If you have an idea, how do you prepare a meal for a newborn?
First, I will wash my hand like hygiene. Then after that, I will wash the bottle and then sterilize. After that, I put warm water and then milk and then shake. After that, I will try the milk if the temperature is good for the baby, and then I will give
To the baby.
to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature and the tummy and the diaper. If the diaper is wet, and then I will change.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature, you also feed the baby. Maybe the baby is hungry, also have a gas on the stomach, and also change everything on the baby, also the diaper. But everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
I will call my mom and tell her that the baby doesn't stop crying.
Okay. That's the right thing you should do. You have to call the employer. Maybe the employer know, or maybe the mothers know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yes.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I want to work in Hong Kong because the salary higher than other country and good country, and the rules is also good, and then to help also my family needs.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my boss needs me.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to
Yes,
extend?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. If there is a scenario that on the house of your employer there is people outside of the house, telling that they were a visitor and asked you to go inside of the house,
Yes.
and telling you that they were a visitor and want to go inside,
Mhm.
and your employer doesn't at home that day, what will you do?
I will ask first my boss if there is an visitor coming for her.
And if your employer, if your boss doesn't have any visitor that day, what will you do?
I will call the police.
Okay, you will call the police because the employer doesn't know the person outside. Maybe they were pretending. It's too dangerous to entertain people that your employer doesn't know, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food? Because you are ex-Hong Kong, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you
I
prepare?
will cook basic Chinese food like steamed fish, steamed chicken, steamed vegetables, baking, and also I want to learn more Chinese cooking.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes, yes.
For sure, it is okay to you to take care of elderly because you have an experience, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in holiday setup by your
Yes.
employer.
Yes, sir.
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
I want to learn, sir.
So it is okay to you to
Yeah.
learn. Okay, last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. If you choose me as your helper, I will do the best for you and your needs until you satisfy my work. And also, as long as you need my services, I will stay at your family.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Jehan. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.